Hey folks, I just want to show you something that you should not do. Now, I ordered something online from a fairly large company, really, that should know better. I'm going to say this is overkill to the point I almost didn't buy it because the shipping was rather high, and I wondered why the shipping was so high. Now, well, the squeaking you can hear in the background, of course, is Jake, Picker Dog Jake, playing with a shredded toy. Anyway, so the box here contains something that shouldn't be shipped in a box, number one. But I'll unpack it and show you what's in this box. Okay, let's show you quick what's in the box here. And keep in mind, this is a thick box. You know, we're talking 2.5, 3 inches here. And Jake's inspecting it here. And probably a good 12, 18 inches, something like that. So, I'll just show you what's in here. Okay, you can see tons of packing material. Here's what's in here. Oh, I'll cover the invoice to protect the guilty. But this is in a box. Like, come on. This is what's in here. It's a magazine in a box. So now this could have been so easily shipped, taped between two pieces of corrugated cardboard, or preferably Coroplast, which is the plastic corrugated cardboard type material, assigned material, and you can salvage that from, you know, election signs, or you can buy it at Staples if you really want, but you can get it for free pretty much all over the place. But anyway, so yeah, it was a magazine that I ordered that happens to have a story about the Mad Trapper, which I'm writing a book on. So anyway, that's what I ordered. But they shipped it in a box. Why? Why in the world would you ship it in a box? I don't get it. This is ridiculous. It's like taking a page out of Amazon's shipping policies. It's just ridiculous. So anyway, please don't ship your merchandise like this. Make it cost effective for the buyer. This is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks, and listen to me complain. But yeah, don't do this. This is crazy. It is. Nice big box for a single magazine. Insane. Thanks for watching, folks. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and check out our other videos on antiquing, picking, thrifting, scrapping, etc. Thanks, folks. Take care.